In today's special episode, we talk bath bomb packaging, how we make ours, and how you can get the same look without a Cricut. I also wrapped some last minute gifts, and we might have gotten into a bit of a car accident. All of that and more in Vlogmas Day 24.
Hey guys, let's wrap some bath bombs.
Here are our Lazy Bear bath bombs. Aren't these guys so cute?
One big difference with these compared to our regular round bath bombs is that these guys have little ears sticking out. These ears wouldn't have a chance of staying on the bath bomb by the time they get to our customers. I'm going to show you what we do to take that extra step for protection. Our next step is getting our bears into this little box. This box, Jerica did a wonderful job of designing it on Cricut, and we cut these out by the dozens or by the 2 or 3s of dozens when we do batches.
So we'll put our bear in here. There we go. Because our box is so small, we have a total of 5 different stickers that we use. So these small ones here go on the front and the top, and then these bigger ones here, one goes on the back, our ingredient label, and then another one on the side.
So there you have it. One wrapped up Lazy Bear bomb in its box, ready to go. Cool, so this Lazy Bear was the last product that I needed to get this package out. I'm gonna go and pack that up, and then we're gonna get on the road for the afternoon.
Hey guys, Cale and I are about to head out. We especially wanted to get these last few packages out because Chit Chat is closed tomorrow, right, Cale? And over the weekend.
Yeah,
so we
and
wanted
not
to.
opening until next Thursday.
We challenged ourselves to get this one out, and we did it. So come along with us. We're gonna drop it off, and then run a few more errands, and then come back home. Have you checked the front door for packages or mail?
I did earlier.
Check one more time before we head out. Oh, we have something.
What is it? What is it?
It's for me.
Oh. For you, is it for me via through you? No comment? Oh.
Did you get him?
No, he went around the corner. I want to go look for him.
We saw a dog. We're over here at Chit Chats, and we saw a dog just running on the road.
He looks really scared.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get to him, or hopefully he'll be rescued by the time we get to him.
And there's some police cars here, so if we do get a hold of him, then... Oh, here's a guy.
Yeah, with a leash. Okay. Looks like... Oh, there he runs at the end.
There's the dog.
There.
Oh, there he goes.
He's
There's
coming
your
to
dad.
his dad. Oh, okay, happy ending.
Pull
So,
into the condos.
it has been really slick, and we actually just got into a bit of a fender bender, and we are looking for the car that we hit. Cale told them to pull into a parking lot. I don't see her. It was a really minor little bump.
And we were in an intersection taking a left, so
Yeah.
I just wanted to kind of get out of the intersection.
Yeah, and when she pulled off, we didn't see any damage to her. We need to check out if we had any damage. It's just super slick out here in Calgary. If you are driving around, please, please, please be careful. Arrive alive. No one wants to get into anything bad before Christmas. Okay, let's check out the front of our car. So we found her, and we are gonna find a place to park and chat. So we spoke with that other car's owner, and she was really, really nice about it. We got really lucky, and Cale wasn't driving crazy at all. It was a left-hand turn lane, and he was slowing to a stop behind the car in front of him, and what was it, the wheels locked?
Yeah, and on a hill too.
It was
Like,
a really steep
yeah.
hill.
There's not a lot of hills in Calgary, but
Yeah.
it was a hill.
There was nothing Cale could really do to avoid the inevitable. It's really slick. We're now home. We got some wine for our Christmas parties that we're going to. But I thought it'd be fun to show you some of the Christmas cards that we got. We got this pretty card from our mortgage broker who helped us get this house. These are from our friends in Ontario. This is from Aaron and Mike. This is from our friends Louisa and Danielle. Love this dog. And they always take really unique and creative Christmas cards. This is their cat Marilyn, looming over a pile of gingerbread cookies with their faces photoshopped on the gingerbread men. I love it. Cale and I used to do Christmas cards, but it's been a chaotic past 3 years, so we haven't done it for 3 years. Next year, I promise, we're gonna be doing our Christmas cards. And I have a couple more presents I need to wrap, so I'll take you upstairs with me for that. But before that, I'm gonna show you my earrings of the day. It's just little hearts that are yellow. I have a yellow theme going today. I have a little yellow thing in my hair. My shirt's yellow. I'm really feeling yellow today. These cookies from IKEA are the most delicious cookies ever. They're the oat and chocolate ones.
Half a rep.
Half reps. Cale's putting them into our little storage bins. But they're so good. So Cale is down there shoveling snow, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna be wrapping some gifts. And it's gonna be a mix of Cale's birthday, the Christmas party gifts for our friends, and Cale's Christmas gifts. So there's quite a few that I've left pretty much to the last minute because tomorrow is already Christmas Eve. But I thought I would sit down and chat with you guys about packaging in general. Remember this wrapping paper that had 2 sides? Very cool. That's from Costco. You guys are wondering whether or not the Cricut is worth the money. It's a hard question to actually answer because I think it is, but it's also not the most user-friendly machine there is out there. There's kind of a learning curve with it, and I was actually surprised to see how nuanced the Cricut can be. It's definitely not a pick it up, plug it in, and you're ready to go type of machine. There's a few steps along the way, and sometimes things don't turn out the way you expect them to. But for the time and effort I put into learning the machine, I think it's worth it. But if you don't want to go through all of that, and I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that don't, buying boxes is a really great alternative. You can get them already made without any customizations to it from a lot of different websites. I'll list a few down below, but Yellowbee has a great selection of craft soap boxes that you can pick up. I love the cutout. It really helps my product stand out. Custom boxes is actually something I want to look into in 2023 because as much as I think making boxes out of the Cricut is really cool, I really need my time freed up, and that's one of the things that could easily be outsourced by investing in custom made boxes that another company takes the time to design and cut and send to me. So all that I have to do is just fold them and put my soap in them, and then we're good. I have a few other things that I want to do in 2023, but I want to make a whole video on that, on my resolutions and where I want my business to go in 2023. So keep an eye out for that. Our last Vlogmas video is going to be up on the 25th. So what Cale and I will do is write a community post inviting you guys to send me your questions, and we are going to post, I think on Cale's birthday, answering all of those questions. As for a live, I don't think we are going to be doing a live then. I know tonight is date night, but Cale and I are spending date night here at home. We're gonna cook together. Cale is making some lobster ravioli with scallops and Brussels sprouts and a salad, which we will show you once everything is done. Sometimes dates are at home. You can have like a good date night, just the two of us here.
Yeah, and it's crazy out there. The roads are wild out there.
Oh my gosh, yeah. If this dinner looks familiar, it's because we've already made lobster ravioli, but Cale did something different this time. What'd you do?
I added some seared scallops to the recipe.
We noticed that they were on sale, so we snapped them up. So if you watched this far in the vlog, let us know in the comments what you guys think of our Bear Bomb packaging. And if you want to make bath bombs the way we do, all of that is on our Patreon. And speaking of our Patreon, thank you to all of our patrons. You guys are so amazing and so kind, especially the Bubble BFFs listed right over here. Your generosity and support have been so important to me during the crazy holiday madness. So thank you so much. But that's it. I think we're gonna dig in and then we're gonna watch a Christmas movie at the end of the night and just wind down. One more day of Vlogmas is left, right? Yeah, one more day.
Yep, yep.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe how fast it flew by. But thank you to every single one of you who has stuck with me this entire time and have been leaving those comments telling me that you look forward to these every single day, that you watch every single day. Honestly, you made my Vlogmas special. Thank you. But until the next one, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and have a happy holidays. Bye guys.
Night.
Good night.